Hey folks, so I was in the middle of ripping open this package here. I went to play soccer with some friends lately and realized I haven't played in a year and a half. So I decided to order me some new cleats, and I ordered them on Sunday. Finally, they're here today. Came home in a hurry. Happy they were here. So I decided, I have a new channel. So why not go ahead and do an unboxing for the Adidas Copa. I think it's the latest ones. They're the 19.2s, FGs. So here it goes. My first unboxing video. Don't be too hard on me. So as you can tell, it's halfway open, but I'm just gonna go ahead and follow through. Alright, so here we go. Good. Pretty good craftsmanship. Can't wait. And these are a size 10. So really looking forward to trying these on the weekend. Of course, you have the pretty good. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys.